Need money now? And can't leave the house? In 2026, making money from your computer isn't just possible, it's faster and more accessible than ever. But beware, there's a lot of misinformation out there. Today I'll show you 7 real, legitimate, and proven ways to generate quick income from your PC. No scams, no magic tricks, and no need to invest thousands of dollars. Some can pay you in hours, others in days, but they all work today. Let's take a look. 1. Freelancing on global platforms. The number one option is freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer continue to boom in 2026. If you know how to write, design, program, translate, edit video, or even do voiceovers, you can start today. For example, a graphic designer can earn between $20 and $100 per project. A technical writer, up to $50 per hour. The trick is to create an impressive profile, with a clear portfolio and initial reviews. You can do small jobs for free at first to build credibility. And yes, many freelancers in Latin America are charging in dollars, and receiving payments in international accounts like Payoneer. 2. Sell digital products. Did you know you can create a digital product once, and sell it hundreds of times? Excel templates, Canva designs, short courses on Teachable, Photoshop or Lightroom presets, even personal finance spreadsheets. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Ko-fi let you upload your product and receive automatic payments. By 2026, the demand for useful, well-made digital resources is growing. I've personally seen creators earn $500 in a week selling a simple monthly budget template. 3. Microtasks and paid surveys. If you're looking for something very quick, albeit with modest earnings, microtasks are a realistic option. Platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk, PicoWorkers, and ClickWorker pay for simple tasks, transcribing audio, tagging images, testing apps, or taking surveys. You won't get rich, but you can earn $10 to $30 in a couple of hours. Ideal if you need some extra cash urgently, or if you're testing the waters of online work before committing to something bigger. 4. Affiliate marketing with immediate traffic. Affiliate marketing is still powerful, but in 2026, what works is hyper-targeted traffic. If you have an audience on social media, a WhatsApp group, or even friends interested in a niche, like supplements, finance, or technology, you can promote products with affiliate links. For example, if you recommend a finance course on Udemy or a tool like Canva Pro, you earn a commission on every sale. Some programs pay up to 50% per conversion. 5. Audio-video transcription or editing. With the explosion of podcasting and video content, there's a huge demand for editors and transcribers. Platforms like rev.com and Scribie pay from 50 cents to $1.50 per minute of transcribed audio. If you're fast and accurate, you can earn $15 to $25 per hour. And if you know how to use Premiere, DaVinci, or CapCut, many creators pay for quick and clean edits. 6. Usability testing and feedback. Companies like User Testing or Testbirds pay between $10 and $50 for testing a website or app and providing your opinion in a video. You only need 10 to 20 minutes, a microphone, and a stable internet connection. It's one of the fastest ways to earn real money from your PC, and many people don't even know it exists. 7. Selling accounts or niche services. Last option, and very 2026 sell specialized services to specific communities. For example, managing Discord servers, setting up Telegram bots, automating tasks with Zapier, or creating flows in Notion. These services are sold on forums, Reddit, or even Twitter/X. People are quick to pay for time-saving solutions, and you can be that solution. Remember, fast doesn't mean easy. All of these options require skill, consistency, or at least a little initial effort. But they are legitimate ways to generate real income in 2026, without depending on a boss or a fixed schedule. If you liked this video, give it a like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe. I publish 2 videos a week about finance, the global economy, and how to take advantage of the digital world. And tell me in the comments, Which of these 7 will you try first? See you in the next video, where smart money always wins.